Adrienne owns a dry goods store. One day she charged $7,571.41 for 2,782.5 kilograms of cinnamon and 272 kilograms of cocoa powder. On another day, she charged $6,949.80 for 2,385 kilograms of cinnamon and 382.5 kilograms of cocoa powder. How much was Adrienne charging for 1 kilogram of cinnamon and for 1 kilogram of cocoa powder? Let X be the amount charged per 1 kilogram of cinnamon, and let Y be the cost of 1 kilogram of cocoa powder. We know that she sold 2,782.5 kilograms of cinnamon times that cost plus 272 kilograms of cocoa powder times its cost is the $7,571.41 that they were charged on the first day. On the other day, 2,385 kilograms of cinnamon were sold and 382.5 kilograms of cocoa powder was sold times the cost of the cocoa powder, and that came out to a total of $6,949.80. We have these two equations. I decided to isolate the X here, so I subtracted 272Y from both sides, and that gave me 2,782.5X is equal to 7,571.41, take away 272Y. Then I divided terms by 2,782.5. We ended up getting X is equal to 2.7210, and it goes on forever. Keep that number in your calculator or in your device or in a spreadsheet. Then we have negative 272y, and when I divide that, that gives me 0.0977, and it goes on forever. Keep that number in your device as well. That's why a spreadsheet is a little bit easier to use. This is our X value. I'm going to plug that into my other equation. We end up getting 2,385 times the X value, which is 2.7210, take away 0.0977y. I'm going to distribute that. So the 2,385 is going to multiply the 2.7210, giving us 6,489.78, and then multiplying by 0.0977y, we end up getting 233.14285, and it goes on for a while. We keep that number in our calculator, plus the 382.5y. These are like terms. I can add them together. That gives us 149.3571. We have 6489.78 plus 149.3571y is equal to 6,949.8. I want to isolate the y, so I'm going to subtract the 6,489.78 from both sides, and that gives us 149.3571 times y is equal to 460.02. I'm going to divide both sides by 149.3571 to get rid of this 149.3571, and that gives us exactly y is equal to 3.08. And then I'm going to feed that back into this equation. I'm rewriting this equation with the y being 3.08. 0.0977 multiplies to 3.08. Then it's being subtracted by the 2.7210, and that gives us 2.42 exactly. So that means that the cinnamon costs $2.42 for 1 kilogram. The cocoa powder costs $3.08 per kilogram. $2.42, and the cocoa powder $3.08. And then we press enter to see if we're right. And that's it for level 12. Have a good day.